Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza pockets at home full guide. Begin by prepping a clean workspace and preheating your oven. Roll dough to even thickness and keep fillings small and dry. Use a light egg wash for golden color and strong seal to prevent leakage. Bake until crust is crisp and internal temperature reaches a safe, piping hot level. Let cool slightly before serving for safe, enjoyable bites. Start with cooked, cooled fillings so excess moisture won't break your seal or steam the crust. Keep pieces small, about 1 cm or less, to ensure even heating. Mix sauce sparingly so pockets stay sealed and crisp. Press edges firmly and crimp with a fork for reliable closure. Use an egg wash or milk for a shiny finish and quick browning without burning or over-baking the exterior crust. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a sharp, fresh scent that keeps your ride pleasant after pizza runs. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can snag one easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Place a measured scoop of filling in center, leaving a 1 cm border for sealing. Fold dough over and press edges together, then crimp with a fork for durability. Vent with a small slit or poke to let steam escape without losing filling. Chill briefly if dough becomes warm to maintain shape during baking. Adjust bake time for pocket size so centers heat through without burning the crust.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.